looking to take our current CertainTeed credentialed contractor base and give them some unique selling features and ability to go and differentiate themselves from the other contractors and competition out on the market. My name is Diodati. I'm currently Vice President of Product Management and Marketing and been with the company 25 years. Landmark Pro was a product that we designed with the professional contractor in mind. We looked at characteristics like ease of installation and durability, put some enhancements like nail track and CertaSeal to help with those characteristics. Landmark Pro, with its max def color palette, gives it a more vibrant curb appeal for homeowners. With increased storm activity, impact resistance around the country has been a hotspot for contractors, so Landmark Pro is now rated Class 3 impact resistant, which helps give it an advantage over many of the competitive products that they will be selling to homeowners. Everything revolves around our voice of customer. Any new innovation, whether it's colors, a technical feature, starts with the voice of our customer, and that could be both internally with the sales organization and externally with a distributor or a contractor. It's more than just a shingle.